Hi providers. In this video I'm going to be going over two things. I'm going to be going over how you can add your hardware token to your ExoStar account and use the number being generated to transmit your medications. I'm also going to be going over what to do if your Authy app isn't binding correctly with your ExoStar account. Now, I've already logged into the system. I've gone ahead and clicked on my medications tab and clicked on create new RX. On this page I'm going to scroll to the very bottom and open up this more section, which I've already opened. So here I have two options. I have ExoStar registration and I have token registration. First, we have to click on ExoStar registration, and this will enable our connection with our partner system. After I'm done with that, close the tab, click on token registration. Also for reference, I'm using Google Chrome. So I have three boxes here: manage token, manage mobile credential, and manage phones. I can use manage token to manage my hardware token, mobile credential for Authy, and manage phones for my phones. If I wanted to add another phone, I could add another phone, so on and so forth. But we're going to be focusing on the first two here. So I'm going to start by clicking on add token to add a hardware token. The hardware token device basically contains a serial number on the back of it. The serial number starts with the letters GAHE followed by a string of numbers. So what needs to be done here is that entire thing needs to be typed into this box. GAHE followed by a whole lot of numbers. Once you're done with that, flip the device over, turn the device on, you'll see a string of numbers appear. Take those numbers, type them into this first box here. Don't press any buttons, just wait. Wait till the device shuts off, takes around 30 seconds, turn it back on, type the numbers into the second box here. Then wait again. Oh, pardon me, you don't need to wait. Just go ahead and click on submit. So at that point the device should be added. Now if for some reason it gives you an error message, which I have seen, it sometimes doesn't add in the first attempt. What you have to do is you have to turn the device back on, wait until it shuts off, then turn it back on, type in the number that appears, wait until it shuts off, type in the number that appears. The key here is to wait until it shuts off before opening it up and getting the number, if it doesn't work the first time. I've added a number of devices, they always add in the second attempt. So once you're done putting all your stuff in, click on submit and you'll see a message which says the device was added successfully, and on your previous page here there'll be an indication that the device is activated. Now let's move on to the second section here, which is managing the mobile credential. Now what I've done in this instance is I have deactivated my account on the computer here, but it's still active on the phone. So just for reference, let me go ahead and turn my phone on. And if I put this up here on the screen, you can see that I have an account, but it's not authenticated here, which can happen sometimes, or the account will be not present here at all. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to click on add credential. I'm going to type in my cell number, right, and I'm going to click on register phone. Now what's going to happen at this point is I'm going to get a notification here on my phone, as you can see, which I can use to bind my device. Now since it's already bound, if I click on approve, it's just going to go ahead and approve the request, and the device will become authenticated. If you receive an error when you try to authenticate, what you can do is you can click on this and there's numbers being generated. On that previous page you have the option of clicking on the X and typing this number into the box and manually adding the device. You can use either option. Both options work. It just depends on how it goes for you. I know that this seems a little bit complicated, so if you're having issues with this, feel free to just ring me up. You can see my cell number here on the screen, or you can send me an email at skhalid@medi-ehr.com, or you can reach out to one of our other staff if you have their contact information. So I hope this video was helpful in giving you an idea of how you can manage your hardware tokens, how you can manage the Authy app. I hope that you have no issues, and this video, you don't really need to go through all those steps, and you can just, get to what you need to do, which is seeing patients and prescribing medications. Thanks so much for your time, and have a great day.